Hi, this is season 5 of BFS. So, let's just turn it up a notch, shall we? Let's just play the intro for a minute. So, you'll like this one. It's a special. The flags, where are you? We're here. So, this episode is going to be 11 minutes long. So, gosh. Just play the intro already. No, we need some screen time for the contestants. Okay, fine. Fine, White Lego. Those are the contestants that formed two teams of 48. Because there are 96 contestants. Wow, almost 100. Well, almost 100. That's pretty big. Hey, Seven! Yeah? Can you sing your favorite song? I'm lucky number 7. I'm in the happy... No, the other one. Oh. 50 nifty United States from 13 original colonies. Oh, why did you do that? Oh, I wanted him to sing, 7, lucky number 7 from number blocks, but Columbia flag just ruined everything. 50 nifty United States from 13 original colonies. 50 nifty United States from... Hey, what are you doing? Colonies. 50 nifty United States from 13 original colonies. 50 nifty... Dude, you're going to break me. 50 nifty United States from 13 original colonies. 50 nifty United States from 13 original colonies. 50 nifty United States. Pause in time! Oh, sorry. Stop singing that. What are your team names? Team Lucky. Oh, right. We already had the team name, Team Lucky. Team Bland. I'm not bland. What did you say to me? I said you're bland, so, most of us here are bland contestants, so that's why it's Team Bland. Are you bland? No. Then don't call our team Team Bland. No one here thinks they're bland, and you think everyone else besides you is bland. Learn to respect people and stop bothering us, or I'm going to smack you. Okay. Hey guys, just a quick note. Alfonso Zamorano doesn't stop bothering JC, and he doesn't care at all. So that's why he's not going to be immature. He likes being immature. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, roll the intro. Wait. Team Block Power. Wow, already. Team Rainbow. Okay, that is enough. Now get in your poses for the intro. Come on. Hurry up already. Hurry up. There, now let's just do the intro already. Oh, sorry. Blah, 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 blah. Evil Canada, stop it. You ruined the intro. Oh. Okay, let's just start. Start this thing. All right, what do you want for the first challenge? I want to jump off this building. No. I want to do it literally. I said no. I'm going to pour soy sauce on you. Hey, my name is Sauce. Don't you dare. You think you're going to get away with me? You think you're going to get away from me? I'm sorry. Delicious. Wait, babe. I think you're going to be, what, cannibal? Yes. We are paper. And I'm eating a bottle cap with volume. I guess you're right. Strike! That's it, I'm going to smack you. Wait, what? That's what you get, flashlights. Okay, so, okay. Let's just, use this pipe to recover people from the dead. They can either go from heaven to heck. Oh! I hear someone. Oh, it's flashlight. You went from heaven. Yeah, I didn't come from heck. Why you keep... I meant to say hell. Your first challenge is, make me food, go. Do you like eating grass? No, go away. Do you like eating rubber? No, go away. Do you like eating paper? No, that's cannibal. Do you like eating fruit? Yes. Oh gosh, I have to censor that. Wait, there's not any blood. We're inanimate objects. We don't have blood. Yum. I give you team the 8 out of 10. Pretty decent. What do you think, Cookie? Yeah, I think it's pretty decent. Individual. Mojo Jojo has hands up. Oh yeah. I like Mojo Jojo playing Uno. Ding! I have an idea. Come here. No, wait, what are you? Heads up, this is a robbery. Ha, Mojo Jojo, you look so funny. Please don't kill me. 10 out of 10. What? What? How did they win to us? Plastic Diamond. I don't really mind people calling me Plastic Diamond. I am plastic. I'm not an actual real piece of diamond. But how did you guys win? By giving Canada Flag mushroom milk. What is your milk made of? Mushrooms. Moo 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 moo. Okay. Well, that was a very that was some good milk. That was some good milk. Some good mama caliente milk. Some mama caliente. Okay, so that means Block Power is up for elimination. Vote for either White Ball, Time Machine, Uno Card, Poker, Plate, Hammer, Mojo Jojo, Cup, Teacup, Crafting Table, Grass Block, Blue Lego, Cappy, Bed, Mario, Hydraulic Press, Car, Waffle Ruler, Sheep, Orange and Yellow Lego, Rubik's Cube. Oh yeah, and also the person that I ate gets immunity, so Banana is immunity. So don't vote for him. Diamond, Furnace, Traffic Cone, Polar Bear, Horse, Jenga Block, Ocelot, Dart, which has changed name from arrow to dart. Grape, scissors, broccoli, orange, domino, anvil, Yoshi, English cookie, dice, triangle, lemon, Play-Doh, Mario block, chalkboard eraser, corny, yep, change name, square or green Lego. The reason why I didn't say banana, go rewind the video, and then you'll see that banana's immunity. So, that's it for the first episode. Ready for an ending? My hands are sweaty from playing spongy cake with you three. Yeah, I know. My hands are also sweaty from playing spongy cake. Whoa, fidget spinner, you dyed yourself? You just repaired yourself and dyed yourself? Yeah, I think I did pretty great in my body asset. So, yeah. It all started back like 2 years ago. Yep, it all started like 2 years ago when the old BFS, which was Battle for SERLO, or how JC liked to call it, Battle for Serlo, in the episode 7, which was not released because that was the lost episode when it was about to be released, but it failed to record. So, no, I think it just failed to upload or due to laziness. So JC threw me into a concrete floor in the kitchen of his apartment, and one of my pieces that make me spin broke off of me. I've been like that for 2 years, and I think I did pretty good. Well, let's just go to sleep. Number box paper fun! 3, 2, 1, signing off.